It is my pleasure to welcome you once again to this Teach Igbo Language channel by Magnus Owalaka. Thank you for all the support you have given to this channel so far, and thank you for the more you are going to do in the time to come. I assure you, if we do what we are supposed to do. Today, I want to discuss this book, Anokoronko Nazando. This is a compendium of 500 Igbo proverbs. Ilu Igbo denare isen. It also contains 100 Igbo idiomatic expressions. Apaloku Igbo kedi otunare. Please, get a copy of this book. There are outlets where you can get it from any part of the world. In this internet age, you can get at whatever you want. You can place order, it will be sent to you, and the price is affordable. Parents, please teach Igbo language to your children. Speak mature Igbo language to your children. Sora umona asusu Igbo di uto, asusu Igbo di ogo, tora ha ilu Igbo. Unyere ha okwu ndị etinyere akpa ala okwu, ndị nkuzi, ndị ụka, unu na-agba mbọ jidenu nke unu ji. Ndị redio na telivishọn nọ na ala Igbo, ọnụ unu na-arụ dachi jidenu nke unu ji. Ndị Ministry of Education, lekwe na akwụkwọ awere, ọ ga-enyere ndị nkuzi aka iji kuzi asụsụ Igbo. Ndị old boys, lekwe na akwụkwọ ọzụrụ, nye ya dịka onyinye unu ga-enye ọba akwụkwọ library nọ n'ụlọ akwụkwọ na ọgụrụ, zụrụ ya na zigara n'ụlọ akwụkwọ ndị ahụ a ga-eji akụziri ụmụaka asụsụ Igbo. Before we go ahead, can I make a request? Can I? Please vote for me. Please vote for this channel. I'm not asking for political votes, please. I'm only asking, please subscribe to this channel called Teach Igbo Language by Magnus Owalaka. If you subscribe and tell other people to subscribe too, you have done me a great favor to be a dependable ally, a cooperator in promoting Igbo language and culture. Have you subscribed? If you have done so, thank you very much. But if you haven't, please do something. Thank you. Subscribe. Just press it for me. Speak Igbo language to your children right from early childhood. Teach them idioms. Kuzere no mono ilu Igbo. Speak to them with idiomatic expressions. Kwore ha okwu, gwa ha okwu na akpala okwu asụsụ Igbo. Anaha mwake bananka, you don't learn to be left-handed in old age. Bakwandi ozo ka happy aramaka. Subscribe. Give me a tour. Those of you who have subscribed already, thank you very much. Those who are going to subscribe, I will still thank you very, very much. But the aim is that all of us should team up and rescue Igbo language and promote it to the level where it will stand firm on a solid rock. Ugbu a ka anyị nyoba anya n'ime ụfọdụ ihe ị ga-ahụ n'ime akwụkwọ a. O nwere ụkpụrụ a na-eji edubata ilu ndị Igbo dịka ndị a. Onye na-atụ ilu nwere ike sị, ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu sị, which means an evil proverb says that. Another thing is, ndị nna nna anyị ha gwara anyị sị, which means our ancestors told us that. Nna m gwara m sị, which is my father told me that. Ndị okenye na-atụ ilu sị, ndị obodo anyị na-ekwu sị, a na-asị ihe ndị awụcha ihe nwere ike iji dubata ilulu Igbo n'ekwumekwu. Lee ilu nke mbụ dị n'ime akwụkwọ a. Awọ anaghị agba ọsọ ehihie n'efu, which means a toad does not run around by daytime for no good reason. What this proverb means is that every human behavior is prompted by some important motive or reason. You don't do anything without some motivation. There must be a reason why you did whatever you are doing. For example, Igbo people are now awake, doing a lot of things to rescue Igbo language. If they don't run around desperately to do things, take proactive measures, they will be there and Igbo language dies in their hands. Ndị Igbo na-ati ilu say, "Awọ anaghị agbọsị ihe n'efu." Proverb number 2 says, "Ihe ọkụ ka ọ bụ mmiri na-achụ dị ya mkpa," which means what a fowl is pursuing under the rain is important to it. Actually, it implies that a desperate need makes one to make desperate moves, even under adverse conditions, in order to achieve a resolution. So when you are in need of something that is sine qua non, something you cannot help, but you must do it, you can make desperate moves to realize your objective, to achieve what you want to achieve. Ndị Igbo na-ati ilu sị, "Ihe ọkụkọ bụ mmiri na-achụ dị ya mkpa." Can you say that? Proverb number 3 says, "Ma nkịta agbọghị ụja, ewu ga-anara ya ihe ọkpụ n'ọnụ," which translates, if a dog fails to bark, a goat can brazenly snatch what the dog is carrying in its mouth. Ihe ilu a pụtara bụ, fight for your right, bravely defend your territory or possessions. If you fail to fight for your right or defend what belongs to you, other people will take over and you will be helpless. Proverb number 4 says, "Nkịta si, ihe kpatara eji agba ụja ma ya hụ onye ya na-amaghị bụ n'ihi na ọ chọghị ka onye ahụ buru ya ụzọ gbawa ya ụja." It translates, the dog says that the reason why he quickly starts barking on seeing a stranger is simply to preempt any chance of the stranger barking at him first. This proverb translates, it is better for one to take preemptive measures in good time so as to avoid finding oneself in a disadvantaged position if such measures were not taken early enough. That is, prevention is better than cure. Ilu nke 27, Proverb number 27 says, "Ahụ akaghị na-egbu okenye, aka egeghị na-egbu nwata," which translates, an old man dies for failing to openly condemn a bad thing, while a child dies for refusing to heed good advice. Implication of this is that to avoid incurring self-made punishments, everybody should live up to their responsibilities by leadership and good followership in society. Both the leader and the led have punishments they must suffer if they fail in their duties to one another. Proverb number 31. Ndị Igbo na-ati ilu sị, "Onye rara mmiri ọkụkọ eriela anụ ya." That is to say, anyone that drinks the chicken soup has indirectly eaten the chicken meat as well. Onye rara mmiri ọkụkọ eriekwala anụ ọkụkọ. It means that one can be termed a partaker in an act or as an accomplice by just being involved in some stage of the process. So somebody who helped to do something, whether good or bad, that help means he is part of the program. She shouldn't be counted out. To Proverb number 200, Ilu Igbo nke 200, Ndị Igbo na-ati ilu sị, "Ọhịa so ekete ya efula ero." Nna m gwara m sị, "Ọhịa so ekete ya efula ero." You can equally say, "Ọhịa na-achọghị ka ekete bata n'ime ya efula ero." It translates literally, any bush that detests being visited by baskets should not grow mushrooms. The implication is that don't do anything that may predispose you to having an experience you abhor. Ọhịa sekete ya efulero. Ilu nke narị abụọ na otu kwuru sị, otu onye rie agwọ, ya gwọrọ ya n'afọ, which translates literally, if one person alone eats a snake, it will reform and coil in his stomach. This implies that being too selfish causes you more harm than good. People who eat alone fight alone. Certain things you shouldn't monopolize should be shared with other people so that you may have inner peace. Otu onye rie agwọ, ya gwọrọ ya n'afọ. Atatu ụkwa, atatu akị. Variety is the spice of life. As we look at Igbo proverbs, I want us to equally take a glimpse of Igbo idiomatic expressions as in this book.